AI isn't here to replace you, but instead make you dangerously efficient. Yes, I'm Roman, and today I will give you 5 reasons why Skywork.ai might be the best AI tool for professionals and maybe just you. Let's go. Number 1, Skywork.ai is organized and structured. From the home page alone, you're able to see its clear layout, which shows all its primary functions. For example, there's general, which encapsulates having deep discussions, analysis, and it favors research. With the creation of documents, it could be Word files, PDF files, posters, images, charts, Excel documents, deep dive researches, analysis, and games, podcast creation, video generation, and many more.
I'm Pete, and today we're diving into some flippin' amazing penguin facts.
This actually leads into my second point. Skywork.ai offers authentic sourcing. One problem today with a lot of AI sources is that they often provide sources that are not actual sources. They are made up or simply unsearchable, unfindable. However, with Skywork.ai, you're actually able to go to the source itself and verify the information that it provides by showing authentic sources such as government websites, official institutions and organizations, and the list goes on. Therefore, if you're a student who require academic information, sourcing, data, proof, theories, books, references, and so on, this is definitely the tool for you. Number 3, Skywork.ai provides tailored needs. What this means is that irrespective of your area of interest, Skywork.ai is able to attend to your needs. If you're interested in wellness and fitness, for example, then it is possible to use Skywork.ai to generate science-based information and research about how you could start your gym or wellness and fitness journey. Also providing a meal plan, a workout plan, and actually science-based researches to support my new fitness journey. However, it doesn't only stop at, shall I say, gym enthusiast. If you're someone who's into languages like myself, or perhaps even a teacher trying to create a lesson plan, then this is also for you. Number 4, Skywork.ai handles complex tasks with ease. This could be from creating websites, learn to code, or any other complex tasks you may think about. For example, I am interested in creating a website for a church that I currently go to, and I use Skywork.ai to organize my thoughts and present the information in a readable and simple way so that almost anyone can understand it. Using stunning visuals, simple terminologies, as well as relevant and niche terminologies, and at the same time translating this in Portuguese since my church family actually speaks Portuguese. Number 5 and last, Skywork.ai is fast and efficient. I've never seen another AI tool that works so quickly, while at the same time providing information and results of quality. However, no system is perfect, and that is why I will list 2 of the major drawbacks with Skywork.ai. Number 1, it uses a sort of coin or credit-based system. The more complex the task, the more coins or credits it uses. And if you'd like to pay less to upgrade your account, then you may use my affiliate or promo code. That is Roman Writes 20. It will help you to purchase this AI tool at a lower cost. So as everyone will pay full price, you will definitely be able to benefit from this limited opportunity. Now, onto my second drawback. Unlike ChatGPT,
Hello, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요, Skywork.ai does not have a voice option where you could speak into it or where it could actually speak back to you. Nonetheless, this doesn't hinder the capabilities of the AI system or tool. With that said, embrace AI because it is not here to replace you, but instead make your lives dangerously more efficient and easier. With that said, if you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll respond to you to the best of my abilities. With that said, I'll see you next time. Cheers.